my father had a difficult life. Actually, initially he was in the Gulf for some time, and then later he had a small bakery. And my mother used to be a very sociable lady. Our house was on the roadside, and that time there were no buses, so everybody used to come and sit in our house and for 5 minutes or 10 minutes as a break, and then my mother used to go on talking to them, and that itself was fun, I think. And I told you I am the only child, and I used to stand behind my mother and listen to all these stories. I couldn't understand the stories that time much, but still I used to know everybody, and they used to like me also, and they used to pet me, and sometimes they used to bring small eatables, and those green chocolates used to be there, and and those green chocolates that time were the best, and I used to enjoy them. And our fun was, I still remember, when I was in 9th, we got a small radio. Up to that time we didn't have anything. It was a small radio, and the first thing was the sound of the radio, which was so exciting for us, and we changed the time of Amori that time, so that we could hear the news. And then later, at about, I still remember, around 8 or so, we used to get all those Chitrahar and songs. And what we used to do is, we used to adjust our evening meal in such a way, when we used to eat, we used to listen to those songs. It was, it was heaven that time, having that small radio and listening for the first time. And now, when I look at that time and now, I feel those were the days. It was so good. You were feeling so happy. And today, even if you have the most modern gadgets, I don't think we have that much of happiness as we used to have that time. And today's fun is, when we are together, what we do is, we sit and we joke and we laugh. That is one thing. Second is, we go for long walks. We as a family, we are so happy about exercise. Not yoga and all that, but long walks, and we observe nature. And thirdly, for me now, I think I am very lucky. Every year I go to UK and US. My daughter is in UK, my son is in US, and I almost spend 5 months there. And there our fun is again going for walks, and church is very near in both the places. Go to the church. And for me, initially, I didn't know how to interact with these British or Americans, but later it was so good. I was talking to them, and they were asking about our country, and later I joined them as in the walking group, and so there was some sort of exchange, and that's why even today I have so many friends. Actually, if not for the lockdown, I am so sad that there is a lockdown. Otherwise, I would have gone again to these countries, and all this is because of my family, because of the children. So we have lots of fun these days. And one more thing is, I never used to go to restaurants and hotels, but now because of the children, because of my grandchildren, I have seen good restaurants and hotels in Udupi and Mangalore, and I enjoy the food that is served in these hotels. And I've learnt the names of the food also. Earlier, I never even knew. Okay.